Good morning, everyone. This is meteorologist Leanne Allegretto with your winter planning briefing for the next several days. It's going to be a real quick briefing, pretty straightforward, pretty easy as far as explaining goes, so let's get into it. Here's our matrix, our threat matrix. As you can see, there's a whole lot of green here because there's a whole lot of low impacts expected. Low to minimal, if any, impacts. And the reason being, we are expecting an entire high pressure bullseye right over the Northern Rockies, and it is not going to move. And as a result, sometime starting tomorrow, Friday, January 11th, through as long as Wednesday, January 16th, we are expecting high pressure to produce generally dry conditions, prolonged valley inversions, and the item that I highlighted here of most interest to road crews is prolonged freezing fog in valleys, which does at times create, locally slick travel, black ice, bridges and that sort of thing. You guys know better than we do. So I did want to mention that we are expecting a very prolonged period of freezing fog in valleys. And where we're thinking just about everywhere in western Montana for valleys, all the way across Highway 12 into central Idaho, into the valleys of Clearwater County, the places that typically see freezing fog in prolonged high pressure will definitely see it this time around. Also, stagnant valley air as a result of the valley inversions. And then, of course, when do we see precip again? We're thinking Thursday, January 17th. As of right now, things could change, obviously, but it's going to be like a week. So not a whole lot of road impacts, but impacts in other areas. So with that, I'm not going to make this any longer than it needs to be. If you have questions, please give us a call and tune in to our next briefing, which will be this Sunday, January 13th. Thank you.